Hi guys. I can't draw, but I really want to learn. Today we will learn to draw a dachshund dog. This is a drawing for a cartoon. We draw according to the scheme of a real artist. I will leave a link to the tutorial of this artist in the description. Today I draw on a tablet, not with a pencil on paper. I use copying. I am too lazy to draw. I need to save time. Here's what happened in black and white. Let's try to color the dog.
The truth is, I'm not really sure what happened.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove.
Here's a dachshund turned out. In the next video, we will try to animate it. Subscribe not to miss. Like it. All love and good luck in drawing.